They asked me if I would take a look at this magnifying desk lamp and make a video, and I think it might work for the near the sewing machine. So let's take a look at this. This is how it comes in the box, and it's shipped in a larger box. That's why the box is in such great condition. Open it up, and looks like we've got some instructions on how to use the different modes and stuff. Now, I've had some of these from in the past, and they only had on and off, so it's already nice that you've got multiple color choices, different types of mood lighting or whatever. There's a sleep mode, and then looks like increments brightness as well. So it has both a clamp onto the table and a base. Okay, that's pretty neat. I didn't realize there was going to be a base. Now it looks like there's also a cover, so I guess you can use it as a light or lift the cover and look at it. Is that the idea? And I'm guessing underneath here there's going to be a base. Okay. So first impression right out the gate is that it's, I don't know, half the size of the ones that I'm familiar with. So I like that. It seems like it's much more compact. It's going to be much more useful than having a big arm up and in the way. Get this thing. All that is nice and solid. It's as solid as any of the other arms like this I've seen. It's quiet, and the cord is good to go. Go straight to USB, or if you don't have a USB, you got a straight to the wall adapter right there. 2-prong adapter, by the way. Let's see what else. This is the table mount. It's aluminum, and it's very substantial. I like that there's a piece of foam there. That's probably for shipping, but guess who's going to use that piece of foam during the install? It's got a wipe. That's pretty handy. Everything's in a nice foam. You can recycle that for shipping. I'll recycle that box too, a nice clean box. Drop that onto the floor. So the base has a place here to put stuff in, I guess. That's kind of handy. And the bottom is a piece of foam. So it's cushioned, and it's not gonna scratch anything. And I guess there's 2 O-rings here in this plastic part that can either interface, I guess, here, and then I imagine you take that part off, and then the post itself would interface to the table mount. Well, at first I thought I was going to stick it on the table, but now I think I may just leave it on its base and have it available as a magnifier or as a thing. I mean, this film is just here to prevent scratching, so let's take that off real quick. Just peel that off. Alright, with that peeled off, it looks nice. You can still see through it. I guess let's go ahead and plug it in since we've got the camera going. See how long the cord is. About 4 feet long, maybe. Actually, I've got a USB hub I can plug it into. Now we've got our controls here on. That must be the different temperatures of the light. And then we have the different intensities of the light. Pretty nice. And you can see there's a couple of different levels of magnification right away. Pretty handy. First impressions are that this thing is going to work out really well made, and a good design. And stay tuned. Hope this helps.